Chicken tikka is considered? Sure. You go for it. You ordered you?
Yeah, I'm separate. Wait, what did you get?
I got the two combination choice.
Okay.
Can I get water and I want something that like I can hold in my hands.
Sandwich? Chicken sandwich?
Yeah, sure.
Can I get a cup of water too?
Okay, that's that.
Yeah, no worries. Say hi to them.
Get my chicken tikka and chicken roll.
Hi guys. Sorry I haven't been able to talk. We're driving, so we're just doing the thing. But, I love it. We found an Indian place. I love Indian food. Oh.
You guys go right?
Yes. I think so. No. Oh, maybe these ones are like Indian celebrities, like they collected autographs. That's kind of fun. You want to see? Like up in my grill. Isn't what I meant. Okay. Mukbang. I'm excited. This is better than what happened? You're an edge lord.
I feel free. I just feel free.
That's good.
Look at them. Look at them. They're like, why?
Why? Why,
What did
Mom?
I do?
Why? What happened? What is a Manson hippie? Oh. Drink the Kool-Aid.
What meme is that?
I don't know.
Drink the Kool-Aid.
That's right. Manson is the guy who made everybody drink the Kool-Aid, right? Or am I wrong? Is that right?
Wait, Marilyn Manson?
No. Charles Manson.
Oh, was it him?
I don't know.
One of those religious
That was
fanatics.
before I was born, so I shouldn't know this. Nah. Correct. Jonestown. Teach us, chat. Manson family. Okay, what happened with the Manson family? I want to know. What did he do? Did they kill him all? It looks like we might have a little wait. Might be a little wait. Might be time. Isn't this a cult? What do you mean?
It's in the back.
Not cult. I don't know what you're talking
Colt's in the back.
about. Oh, look at this Indian video. This is a really good one. I'm like, what is going on? They always have these in the Indian restaurants. It's like the Bollywood.
It looks like a 90s music video.
It does. This,
Like a 90s.
this is their like Coachella. This is some good stuff. Oh, the chat was amazing. Okay, there it goes. It was Jim Jones who made people drink poison fruit punch. Oh, okay. They were